A pleasant day, everyone, and welcome to Parent Connections. I am Teacher Leila, your partner in Parenting Our Brightens. Time moves swiftly onward, and here we are about to cross the finish line. What better way to cap our school year than to see our children take the stage and share with us the highlights of their journey this school year. Dear parents, we are excited to invite you to visit our class Zooms and take a valuable part in our student-led conferences. For our parents who will be attending student-led conferences for the first time, here are a few things you might be interested to know before the big day. What is a student-led conference? A student-led conference, or SLC, is a meeting facilitated by students and attended by parents and teachers. It is an empowering twist on the traditional parent-teacher conference, for there is a positive shift of responsibility from adults to students. Now, why are SLCs important? First, SLCs encourage students to become leaders of their own learning. As students prepare for their respective SLCs, they learn to take ownership of their own growth process. They set goals, assess their learning and their attitude towards learning, identify their strengths and weaknesses, and recognize their achievements as well as the areas they need to work on and need support with. They also create a portfolio containing evidences of learning to help them in communicating with us what they have been doing at school and why these things are important to them. SLCs stimulate reflection and a positive attitude towards learning. The entire process helps students build a strong sense of connection to the curriculum and to the people who play significant parts in their learning. It also empowers them with the understanding of where they need to go as learners and how to get there. After all the preparations comes another great challenge. Our children have to master the courage to facilitate the conferences from start to finish, and that alone makes our children truly admirable. Second, SLCs empower student voice. They give students the confidence to express what they have felt, thought, struggled with, and accomplished within the year. SLCs allow them to communicate who they are as learners and what kind of support they need from us for them to realize their goals and dreams in life. Students appreciate being heard and thrive off the support of their parents and teachers. So, let us listen sincerely to anything they want to tell us, and let us listen with the intention to understand. Let them know that we hear their voice loud and clear and that we are here always rooting for them. Third, SLCs place students, parents, and teachers on the same page. They provide an avenue for us to sit down together with our children and discuss important matters concerning their behavior, performance, and progress. By adopting a growth mindset instead of a fixed one, we'll learn to appreciate not only the grades and outputs of our children, but also their efforts and the learning process. Through SLCs, we may also learn things about our children that we do not get to observe at home or hear from casual family conversations. SLCs may allow us to see our children in a different light. Therefore, on the big day, let us take the opportunity to let our children know that we see them. We understand their struggles and aspirations, and we recognize where they are now and where they want to be. SLCs pave the way to a larger discussion about the purpose of education. Students are among the primary stakeholders in education. Listening to what they have to say about their own learning will help us in many ways, like designing the curriculum and enhancing our teaching and assessment practices. We believe that one of the main goals of education is to create students who want to learn and know how to learn. By conducting SLCs, we help our students make learning decisions, develop habits of mind, and enhance their capacity to learn. This in turn will enable them to continue learning even after school, making them lifelong learners, capable of discovering new passions and realizing their life purpose. Knowing all these benefits we get from student-led conferences, we encourage you, dear parents, to join us in building excitement and enthusiasm in our children that they may lead the conferences confidently and successfully. Our students, our children, are at the heart of education. Let us then empower these young minds and embolden their hearts and cheer for them as they take the spotlight in the coming SLCs. See you then!